Hello. Today we are going to show you how to change the font style of a Notion page. Open any Notion page that has some text on it. Up in the top right corner of the page, click the three dots menu. That's the Settings button. In the menu that appears, you'll see three font options: Default, Serif, and Mono. Default is the standard clean look. Serif gives your text a more classic editorial feel. Mono makes everything look like code, great for notes and documentation. Click through each one and watch how the text on your page changes instantly. You'll also notice a toggle called Small Text just below the font options. Turn this on to fit more content on the screen at once. A great tip for anyone who works with long pages. Thanks for joining us today. If you like the information provided here, please like and subscribe so we will make more videos.